So initial reaction up would be even better for a good fill. All right, gonna get in these puts here. Um, there's Amazon. Let's see what else we got. Microsoft, let's keep an eye on. QQQ, let's see what it does at this resistance. $400 puts could work here on Microsoft. Similar below here. Maybe we'll take QQQ puts instead into this resistance. Let's see. We got 430 here. I like 429. So we'll see what this resistance does here. As QQQ testing this resistance here, we'll see if it rejects. Microsoft sitting there, Amazon looking, as long as it holds here, it looks fine. I do like these QQQs. Let's see. QQQ 104. I'm going to take 4 of those there. I want to see this rejection there. Price target's going to be low a day again. So there we go. Immediate reaction. Currently up 15% already. Amazon getting close to that low. Exactly what I wanted to see. I want to see this start to break to the upside. Arm's breaking lower here. That could definitely go crazy today to the downside. We'll see if this could break. Microsoft's looking good to the downside too. Up 20% on these contracts already. I'm going to try and sell 3 here. I'm at 3 at 1.3. Go. Perfect reaction. Amazon's working its way to the downside again. Looks real good. QQQ, let's see if we can get low a day. Amazon, we need that to break there. Microsoft looking real good to the downside. Would love to see low a day there. Amazon just needed to see it break below like 167. Amazon's not till Friday though, so plenty of time on Amazon. So let this do its thing. QQQ expires today, so that's obviously way higher priority. Contracts up here, 30%, guys. 35%. 40% here. 50%. Easy as that, guys. Easy as that. Boom. Contracts up to 1.6. I'm going to take that exit here, 1.65. There you go. Just like that. Contracts at 1.7. Amazon breaking lower. Boom. Perfect rejection. Hopefully everyone called that with me. Perfect rejection of that previous resistance. Puts can definitely continue to run. I have a few in my main account. I wasn't able to alert everything because the bot's not working. So sorry about that, but shit happens, you know. Amazon looking real weak, looking good. We got a perfect entry there, guys. I mean, we weren't even red for a second. So great stuff there. Great morning, 7 minutes in. Contracts are looking good everywhere here. So that clip you saw was just me trading this morning, and it was a fantastic trade. Just going to go over it quickly so everyone can kind of get a little recap here. So higher lows, lower highs is the number one thing I look for, right? I like to see consolidation, and I like to play the breaks of that consolidation. Not only do we have higher lows, lower highs, but we had this important level here, 430.24. right? Previous resistance, acted as resistance again, acted as a support, and then acted as a support 3 or 4 times there, right? Old resistance always acts as new support, and new support always acts, or old support acts as new resistance, right? It flip flops. It's like a ladder. Market loves to move like a ladder. So we got that initial breakdown. That's when we entered puts, and then you saw, right? We played that initial breakdown. Contracts ran up over 400% on this entire move. Price target was 425.33. And how did I choose this price target, right? This was the next major level below. Support, 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 right? So once we broke down from here, we kind of had a slight gap to fill there, and then we were looking for that push down to the downside. And see the screenshot above or on the screen. Contracts run 400%, cashed in 33,000.